Hi, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be modeling the story Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. In this book, there is a repeated word, on. So I will be modeling that word only in this book, keeping it nice and simple. And the vocabulary that I'll be using for this book is Words for Life, the full version, on an iPad. All right, so let's get ready. I'm going to open the book. And we will start to read. Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Do you see him? He's sleeping. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. See him still sleeping? Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, and Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. Look at him. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters Wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. Look at him. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons a stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair, and you've all had fun. But me? I was sleeping, and I had none. And he whimpers and he moans, and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustering night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Well, look at them. They're all sleeping now, and he's awake. The end. So that's just a way to keep it nice and simple and just focus on one word, especially if you're starting out. Thanks for watching.